Hello.
Hi.
Today we are going to play a game. How well my father knows me. So I'll ask 11 questions.
11.
Yeah. Then you should answer them and write them on the board and just show it to the camera.
Okay.
Okay? Let's see how well you know me.
Okay, let me try.
The first question is
Yes.
my favorite ice cream flavor.
Your favorite ice cream flavor.
Which is my favorite ice cream flavor. Okay. The answer is wrong.
Oh.
My favorite ice cream flavor is butterscotch.
Okay. So I failed in the first attempt, okay?
Yeah, that's alright.
I
I'm
failed.
going to fail in coming questions also.
Let us see.
Which is my favorite color?
Your favorite color. Let me write it.
Okay. Answer is right, but I also have one more favorite, that's black. Black and red.
Okay. But the first priority
It's okay, it's always red.
So I am right.
Okay. Who is my favorite singer? Could be a male or female. My all-time favorite singer. No way.
I wrote as Janaki.
No, Janaki Amma is my favorite singer, but my all-time favorite singer is always A.R. Rahman.
A.R.
Music
Rahman.
director. Everything is A.R.
Oh
Rahman.
my God. Let it be.
My favorite movie genre.
Movie?
Genre.
That means?
Which kind of movies are my favorite?
Oh,
like
yeah,
whether
the
social
type
movies,
of-
horror movies, comedy movies, comic series. Which are they? Okay. It's romantic, you wrote. No, my favorite movie genre is social movies.
Social movies.
Yeah, I love societal movies like historic period dramas.
So I continuously fail,
And you are
no?
failing continuously. I knew that, but it's alright. Okay, this one you will not.
I will win this.
Who is my current best friend? My best friend.
So you have a lot of friends.
Yeah, my current best friend.
From them, whom do I select? This is the question. Let
You
me try.
know one.
Yeah.
She is not only my favorite, she is our favorite. Okay, that one is right. Which is my favorite food? My favorite food.
Correct.
That you will get.
Easy to write.
Yeah, it's right. But I also like biryani. Which is my favorite song?
Is it this?
Okay. I don't have a favorite song. I have a lot of them. So it's okay. Chinna chinna say should be kept there. Which is my favorite game?
Your favorite game.
Oh.
Is it this?
No, it's badminton actually. I don't like cricket that much. I'm not a cricket person. Which is my favorite subject?
Oh, that I can easily write.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
That one is right. English is my all-time favorite subject. And the last question is, what is my dream job?
Is it so?
Okay. Okay, that's a dream of mine.
Good.
But my all-time dream is to do social service.
Social service.
Yeah.
Social
But it's
service.
alright.
Any job closely connected with the social service. Let your dream bloom soon. Okay, I wish.
Okay, thank you.